my channel, I post my vacation luxury experiences with hopes to inspire women of color who don't get paid salary to hopefully experience the same. So I am super excited for two reasons. One, because this is my first trip of 2022, and two, I am here at the luxury Majestic Elegance Resort here in Isla Mujeres. So I cannot wait to take you guys along with me to see what I get up to. So first, let's go check out my room, shall we? Alright friends, we about to toast to this single life with the bottle of champagne that's included with the room. Woo! That's how we do it, baby! Yes! That is what we are doing. My first day here at the Majestic Elegance. Cheers to me. Living the life. Whoever said the single life was bad, you guys? Welcome to my humble abode for the next 3 nights and 4 days. Let me show you around. Here we have the lovely king-size bed that I cannot wait to just dive into and have hopefully the best sleep while I'm here. Here we have this wide open space, which is the bathroom area with the bathtub, which I cannot wait to enjoy. I got my bath salts. Then we have our 2 double sinks over here. Shower. Toilet. Alright, so if you all watched my Los Cabos video, that tour, Los Cabos Marquis, you would probably guess correctly what this door is. And guess what? Here at here at Majestic Elegance, they have the same idea. Whereas if you do not want to be disturbed and you order room service, then you don't even have to worry about coming to answer the door. They will just put it in this little trap door here for you. Let me, here, come closer. Put it in the door for you, and then you just come and get it, you know, whenever you feel like it. This patio has something that no ever hotel room I've ever stayed at has, and that is a jacuzzi. Oh, I also cannot wait to take a little dip in there. So I'm curious to know, what is your favorite room or hotel or even Airbnb stay? Sound off in the comments because I'm curious. And while you all are doing that, I'm just gonna take in this view, and I think I might just take a little bubble bath. We'll see.
Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Can a nigga catch a break? Better way. Oh, way.
What's going on, friends? It is a little bit later, a couple hours later since I last saw you. We have had a couple of fails. I ordered room service, got my little fruit platter, which you all saw, and I also ordered like a cheese spread and some like jam or something, but that didn't come. So it's just fruit and I'm starving. So I ordered some wings. That was a fail. They're like too saucy. All I really want is the Wingstop wings, garlic parmesan. What's your favorite? I want to know. Anyway, I wish I had that, but another fail, I can't get Netflix on the TV, so I have to resort to my laptop, which is fine. But I'm hungry, you guys. I want some real food, so as bad as I don't want to, I'm gonna go and check out the Mexican restaurant that they have here. Well, hello, my travel beauties. It is my second day here in Isla Mujeres, and as you can see, or as you can kind of tell, it is nightfall. It is 7 o'clock, and I am just leaving my room. I wanted to try to catch the sunset, but there is not one. It said that the sun, oh, you know what? The sunset is actually behind me. No wonder. Okay, well, that's okay. I'm gonna try and catch it tomorrow, but it is quite windy out here, and I'm hungry. I haven't ate anything all day, so I am going to go to a steakhouse. It's called Don Juame. It's an Argentinian steakhouse, so I already know what I want to order because I'm super hungry. So I'm gonna get out of this wind, and I will see you guys when I get there. Alrighty, my travel beauties. As you can see by my hair, it is still quite windy out here, and the only thing I could think of at dinner was to hurry up and finish so I can get back to my room. I had the filet mignon, mashed potatoes, some mushrooms, salad, cheesecake, lava chocolate cake, and everything. I was so hungry. So I have to say that it was fairly good. I can't complain. And now I'm just headed back to the room, and I will see you guys there.
Holding it.
All right, so I made it back to my room and a little bit warmer. You know what? It has been so cold here. When I say cold, I mean like cold for Mexico. It's 73 degrees. For me, that's cold. And I want it to be like a good 86 and up would be ideal for me to be at the beach. So I haven't been at the beach and it's been gorgeous, but it's been cold and it's been windy. So I just been chilling back in the room right now. Got my Netflix going. And the shows that I've been watching, if you're curious, is I think one of the longest titles Netflix has ever had. The woman in the house across the street from the girl in the window. Are you guys watching it? It's a good one. I would highly recommend it. As well as I just started Devotion. And then I also been watching Raising Dion. So I am going to get back into that, get the rest of my champagne from yesterday. Probably will finish the bottle. It is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. I know this is gonna post much later, but I hope that you all enjoyed either the single life and just pampering yourself like I did, or you enjoyed it with your significant other. I'm gonna go to bed. Well, no, Netflix, then bed, because I have an early start tomorrow, and I will see you all in the morning. Bye.